Hegarty's reflective framework provides a template that the reflective practitioner can use to support the reflective process. It's essentially 3 simple, straightforward steps that encourage the reflective practitioner to move beyond simple description and to make sense of the experiences and the analysis of those experiences in order to move towards action as a teacher in the classroom. Hegarty's reflective framework is nice and simple to use and therefore very effective as a framework for reflection. The 3 steps, quite simply, are about describing the experience, taking note of what happened, noticing who's doing what, how things are happening, paying attention to the experience in the classroom, and recording that experience. Step 2 is about analysing the experience. Why were particular decisions made? Why do you think that certain things happened in the classroom? What was your reaction? What was your students' reaction when these particular things occurred? And this is where, as a reflective practitioner, you are becoming very active and reflective as a learner. And then the final step in the framework, Hegarty's framework for reflection, is about taking action. What do you need to do next? What do you need to learn about now in order to develop? And this is where you are planning how to apply what you're learning from the reflection process. So the 3 steps. The first step is about taking notice and describing the experience. Pay attention and record it. The journal here is a place where you can use this framework to go through each of the 3 steps. The first step is where you're describing what did you do, how did you feel about it, how do you think the students experienced that particular lesson. The second step is analysis of the experience. What were the actions and decisions, and why were these actions and decisions taken? What was your reaction at this particular point to the teaching or the experience that you had? Analysing and evaluating is the second step, where the reflective practitioner is beginning to understand what needs to be learned. And then the final step, reflect and take action. What did you learn? How will you use this learning? And how do you plan to apply this learning? You can see the 3 steps take the reflective practitioner through a journey of learning, from describing, understanding what needs to be learned, and then analysing the complexity of that learning in order to reach at a point where learning can begin to happen through actions.